I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing the Onedrive client and minimal tools. First, check your distribution and run the package command for your system. For Debian/Ubuntu use sudo apt install OneDrive. Once done, install curl and git so you can fetch updates and configuration examples. Make sure systemd or cron is available to run the sync service later. You're not configuring sync yet, you're only getting the client and runtime ready, so the next steps run smoothly and predictably. You will now authenticate and set up what to sync. Run the client to produce an authorization URL, open it in your browser, and paste the return token into the terminal. This links your account. Next, edit // config/OneDrive/config to choose sync directories, exclude patterns, and set upload/download behavior. Once configured, run OneDrive synchronize dry run to preview actions without changing files. If output looks right, enable the service with systemtl, finish by running a full sync and verifying results. Use OneDrive synchronize to transfer files, then spot check important files and timestamps to confirm integrity. Once done, watch the background service logs with journoctl OneDrive F to catch permission or quota errors. If something goes wrong, reauthorize the client or remove the token in the config and rerun the authentication step. Adjust exclude patterns if files are missing. One key tip: if sync stalls, check for conflicting files and correct permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.